Hi guys, good morning. It's day 4 and pupunta tayong Kokoji. And papakita ni Ailo kung paano kami magko-commute to there. Explain ni Ailo how using just Google Maps. You know, you can do it. Everyone can do it. You just have to know how to read the signs and be efficient in time. Be punctual. So si ate yung parang tour guide namin sa lahat. Ang eldest.
So, dali lang naman pagka Google Maps gagamitin. Basta alam mo kung saan ka pupunta. Pipin mo na lang siya. Tinan mo dito, kotse 1 hour 40, public transport it's around the same 1 hour 48. So, walang masyado difference pag magkakotse ka o kaya magko-commute ka. Mas madami nagko-commute kasi mas mura. First, yun nga, parang makikita mo dito, there's different colors yung line. So Chuo Sobo line and there's a Chuo line as well. Kami gagamitin namin yung Chuo Sobo line and it's similar to lahat ng lines. Obviously, there's like a starting and end point. So parang sa LRT, dapat alam mo kung saan papunta yung dulo. Kunyari, pupunta ka na Legarda, galing kang Katipunan. Dapat yung end station na papuntahan nung line na yun is recto, hindi ka pupunta sa pabalik. Medyo nakakalito. Tapos madaming platform. Sa platform siya pinaka nakakalito eh. Kasi dun ka pwede magkamali. Hindi mo naman memorize. Kahit nga yung mga Japanese dito, hindi nila memorize yung station. So, reliant pa rin sila dito. Ayun, nakalagay naman dito yung very specific dito. Nakalagay sa platform 2. So, susundan mo na lang yung platform 2. Pero, I would suggest na parang para mas ma-immerse ka, look at the signs.
Sige, yeah.
Para hindi ka lang basta susunod sa phone. Tingnan mo, basahin mo yung signs na kung alin yung papuntang Tokyo, alin yung papuntang other end. Para lang masanay ka na hindi ka nakarely sa phone mo. Yun, that's for the start. Yun yung natin ngayon yung Chuo Sobo line here in Ogikubo. Basically, in different stations, there could be a single line lang na dadaan. There could be multiple. Dito sa Ogikubo station, there's 3 lines na dumadaan dito. Chuo Sobo, Chuo line, yung letter T na line. I forgot the actual name, pero that's one of the lines there. So yun, parang that's one way that's how you transfer to different lines as well is in this station. Dito, meron ditong climbing gym, B-Pump Ogikubo. It's one of the hardest gym in the world. So ngayon, I would also suggest buying a Suica rather than buying individual tickets. It's faster. Ayan. So my Suica is in my phone. Gumagana naman siya. Tapos ito yung sinasabi ko, look at the signs here. Parang, ayun. So we know na Chuo Sobo line yung pupuntahan. So ito siya. Ito, Chuo Sobo line is the yellow line. Tapos, may dalawang options for Mitaka and for Shinjuku and Chiba. Since yung end station natin is we're going to Shinjuku, we're going to line 2. So dun siya. Andiyan na yata. Tapos yung isa, Tozai line. So, diyan Chuo Sobo line. Tozai train yan. It's not Chuo Sobo. Ba? Ate, hindi. Hindi. Chuo Sobo yellow eh. Tozai to eh. For Mitaka, ate. Shinjuku tayo eh. Color blue siya no? Tozai. Iba siya. So yun, makikita mo din sa color nung train mismo kung anong line siya. Color blue, Tozai line. Color yellow yung Chuo Sobo. Ito color orange yung Chuo.
Hi, this is my outfit for today. Palda from Trefac style, ukay or thrift shop. And then also my bag, the thrift shop, original COS cloud bag. My shoes from Teva. Sandals Teva. Top is from H&M or Uniqlo.
So ito na yung train natin. Chuo Sobo line, as you can see, it's yellow nga. This is for Shinjuku and we cannot be noisy inside. So we're going here, Shinjuku. Yeah, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 stations. Okay, so we just arrived in Shinjuku Station. We're gonna change lines because hindi naman to yung dadaanan. We're gonna change lines. I don't know what exit to take. Usually makikita naman sa Google Maps kung ano yung suggested exit. Pero ito. Makikita mo dito, eto, Shonan Shinjuku Line. Dito tayo lilipat. Etong dalawa. So, somewhere, you're here. We're gonna change to Shonan Shinjuku Line. So sometimes, even though you're on the same station, parang you have to go out and tap again kasi minsan iba't ibang company sila eh. So you have to pay parang you're gonna tap again your Suica card. Just follow the Shonan Shinjuku line. So yeah, here in Shinjuku, since medyo malapit siya sa Tokyo, super dami na lines na dumadaan dito. So, yeah, makikita mo sobrang dami ding taong ginagamit yung train kasi interconnected sila. Usually naman isa lang naman tinitig nila so memorize na nila yung daan nila. Delayed pala yung Shonan Shinjuku din. Kahit on the same line, like yung Shonan Shinjuku line, hindi sila pare-parehas na parang lahat isa stopan. So, na-delay yung Shonan Shinjuku line. So, kaya 10:15 siya dumating. And it's very packed as you can see. Pero most likely, hindi kasi dadaan din tayo Shibuya. Medyo dadaan tayo sa city. Kaya bababa din sila. Oh, 10:15. Oh, for Shinkiba, iba pala yan. Iba, that's for Shinkiba. Kanina may passenger rescue. Tapos etong Yamanote line, may passenger rescue. Tapos itong line mismo, may platform safety check. So yeah. So dapat check mo din sa loob, parang o kaya dito sa labas. Ayun, makikita mo yung LCD sa labas. Okay, Yan, for Shinkiba. Yung kami, ayan nakalagay. Dun sa ilalim nung Japanese, Kamakura and Sushi, yun yung sasakyan namin. Na dapat yung color orange and blue. Ayun, minsan may delay. Kasi rush hour ngayon madami talaga nangyayari. That's normal naman. Pero, yeah. Ina-update naman kaagad nila as much as fast as possible. So yun din, ina-announce din naman kung ano na yung padating. So dapat pakinggan mo rin siya. Hindi ka lang basta, ayan na. May multiple checks naman. Yung color ng train, mag-a-announce. Tapos yung nakasulat. Yung color orange May color orange. Yung pinaka-final say parate, yung nasa train, yung nasa LCD niya. Kasi yun yung may... Doon siya talaga siya pupunta. Ayan, for sushi. Okay, so we just arrived at the Kamakura station. And we're now gonna exit towards the East Gate. Saan tayo next? Bus? We're gonna take a bus next going to our final stop sa Hokokuji. Yung final place natin.
By the way, it's Dad's birthday. Happy birthday, Daddy.
Thank you.
Gate, exit na tayo.
Hello, so we're in the bus number 23 going to bus number 24. Pero they're the same naman. Basta yung endpoint natin is Jomyoji. This is a bus station. Parang madami siyang platforms. Basically, parang sa train. Ikot-ikot kami para mahanap kung anong bus platform tong bus number 23. Nakalagay naman dun sa mga salamin pero hindi siya wala siyang direction kung saan yung 23 to 24 ganun kung saan specifically. So umikot-ikot pa kami pero yeah, mahanap din naman. It's around here, just have to look for this shaded bus stops. So ngayon hinihintay na lang mapuno
Or yung scheduled time na umalis.
Ay, joke lang, iba pala to, ma-scheduled nga pala to.
Pilipinas, mapuno.